Hi, this lesson is about personalizing your course picture. Now, the reason why you want to do that is imagine as a student, you log into Schoology and this is your home page. If everybody had the default picture, it would be very difficult for the student to figure out which one's math, which one's science, which one's social studies, which one's English. So if we change our picture, it'll make it easier for the student to navigate. So I'm going to be working in my sandbox course elementary because I've already done a lot to my sandbox course secondary. You will be working in your sandbox course secondary. Now what you do in this sandbox will prepare you to create your actual course when it's downloaded sometime near the end of August. What you create in your sandbox will always be there, so you can always go back to your sandbox for things that you've created throughout this tutorial and just move them over to your actual course when that is available. So let's get started. First, you'll click on My Sandbox Course Secondary. And when you do, you will see your course picture up here. You click on Edit Picture. Now I'm going to show you two ways. There's many ways that you can do this, but I'm going to show you a very simple, fast way, and then I'll show you a more personalized, custom way. Alright, so the simple and fast way, you click on Attach File, and you find a image that maybe you already have in your pictures. If you don't, that's okay. We're going to pretend I don't have any images, and I'm going to type into Google Earth clip art because I teach earth science, so I thought the earth would be catchy. Now when I go to Google and type in earth clip art, I click on images. Now when I'm in images, you can click this tools button, and under color I can ask for just a black and white one or transparent one. Transparent's good if you're going to be using multiple pictures and you don't want the background. I can click on type and I can choose clip art. I could choose GIF and it'll be moving. I'm going to choose a GIF just to make it a little fun. And then I just select some kind of picture that I want. We'll go with this one because it says free clip art images, so I don't have to worry about copyright. And I'm going to right click and hit save image, and I'm going to call this my earth science course picture and save. So now I can go back to attach file, earth science course picture. I can find it in my collection of pictures, hit open, and there we go. Just close that out. Now my picture is changed. I'll go back to the student view. So you notice here, for the student, it'll have this picture and it will say Earth Science, section 1 or whatever section they're in. Maybe I want it to look a little bit more personalized, so I'll show you how I'll do that. Because when you just insert any picture, unless you want to go in and change the size by using your paint, it gets a little complicated. So let me show you a way to customize this. So we're going to go to a Google slide and just open up a blank Google slide. And the first thing I'm going to do is go to File, Page Setup. I'm going to click the drop down and click on Custom, and I'm going to type in 16 by 6 inches. Why that size? That's the size I found that fit nicely on the course home page in the banner and kind of fills the whole banner up. And I'll hit apply. And then it changes this Google slide to a 16 by 6 size. Now I'll go insert. I'm going to do a shape. I'm going to start with a square maybe, or a rectangle. And I'm going to make it about as big as my slide is. I'm going to change the background to maybe something blue, since this is the earth. That's a very bright blue, and it's really close to the blue of the default picture. So let me pick something else. I'll hit gradient. There. Now I have a gradient kind of picture. So then I'm going to do insert, shape, and I'm going to pick another rectangle. And I'm going to put over top. And this one I'm going to do maybe in this green, since Earth is kind of blue and green. Insert text box. Now, if you're not good with color combinations, there is a site called colors.lol, and they show you really nice color palettes that go well together. So I'm going to type in Earth Science Mrs. Kaysen, and I need to make this much bigger. So I'm going to highlight my text, click on the arrow, I'm going to go big, 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 big. Oh, let me center this. I'll click this, align, drop down, center. I want it centered. I'm going to change the font. I like Mouse Memoirs. I'm going to make it a little bigger. Mrs. Kaysen, Earth Science. There we go. Alright, now I want to add a little bit more interest to it. So I'm going to insert image, search the web, and I'm going to type in Earth clip art. And I can scroll down and find one that I like. I could type in Earth GIF if I want it to spin. The only thing, you can't make your picture too complicated because there's a size limit. You can only go up to 5 megabytes. I made the mistake of making this super duper animated one, but it was too large to upload. So this, I'm going to set my Earth there, and because I have this blank space over here, I'm going to insert another image. Maybe science, GIF, maybe this one I'll make moving. Hit insert. Just thinking about it. Oh look, it moves, how cute. Okay. Once you're done working with it, you find it acceptable, then you're going to do File, Download, PNG, and it'll download down here. I'm going to open it, File, Save As, because I need to put it in my picture drive so I can upload it. And I'm going to call this my Earth Science course pick 3 because I've made a couple. Now I'll go back to my Schoology sandbox, edit picture, attach file. I don't have to remove the old one because it's going to overwrite it. There's my course picture that I just made. I hit open, and boom, there it is. Now here's what the student will see. So I did 16 by 6. You see there's a little bit of space on either side, so you might be able to push it to 16 by 7 if you want it to fill the whole thing. And so now it's very easy for the students to see that this is their Earth Science class with Mrs. Kaysen. I hope you found that helpful. So your task now is to go into your sandbox secondary course and create a picture to upload to your course.